Yellow, dear teacher and classmates. Question 3. What are goals for the future? My projected goals are in the short, medium, and long term. In the short term, my goals is to finish my career as a food engineer and be able to practice my profession in the company that I am currently working for. In the medium term, my goals is to finish spinning on the jobs and to be able to be well off financially so that I can get my family or people unite my year. In the long term, I want to give my children a one education and be with them at all times. I enjoy my parents because saying good. I still up there. Thank you.